Hello, welcome to another video with the copy and the mirror command. So the both commands are to create multiple copies of the object. For the copy you just need to enter CO and enter. So he is asking for the object. To select the object, we don't have any object, we just create object here. So now we need to enter copy command, select and then select the object and then enter. Now you can make multiple copies of the object anytime, anywhere you want to, and you can also enter the distance. And you can make millions of copies for the object. And the other command we have here is the mirror command. Here you can select it from the modify tab. You can just enter the MI, the mirror command, and after he will be asking to select. You just need to select the mirror command, and now you need to specify a distance from which you want to mirror it. Now he is asking for you if you want to erase the source object or not. And if you mostly we don't erase the source object, so we say no and enter. So now that's where we have the mirror command.